Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C75 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Google account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and tap on Add account. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Okay, just choose the account, and now you can choose what kind of data you want to backup. You can choose both. I will choose only other device data and tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got the backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and to be honest I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on Backup now, and from now on your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.